Morning guys, and in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. At first, enroll the list of all apps and enter settings. From settings list, select security and privacy and mark device unlock. Here select face and fingerprint unlock, and as you can see, at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password, however you like. Let me choose pattern, so enter it, then re-enter, confirm, and now manage your notification content. And let's add fingerprint by tapping on it. Select next, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button right here, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it, mark done. And from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.